Well, good day everyone. So we are Group 4 and we're going to report and to discuss the isolated danger marks, safe water marks, and special marks. And before we start, let me introduce my group members first. We have Nando L. Chavez Jr., Nikos Gomera, and also Wilmar Villaplaza. So I am the first presenter and I'm going to discuss the isolated danger marks. So what is isolated danger marks? And before we start, let me present a pictures first of isolated danger marks, or what we call IDM. Alright, so here's the pictures. As what you can see, isolated danger marks are usually black with one or more horizontal red bands, and they may also have a top mark like a vertical black cylinder. Right, so let's proceed to our next slides, which is what is a isolated danger marks really is, or IDM. So isolated danger marks are used to indicate a single isolated danger in the vicinity, such as a submerged rock, wreck, or shoal, which is not a part of continuous danger like a reef. So I think isolated danger marks are a maritime navigation aids that indicate a single isolated hazard to navigation, like a submerged rock or wreck. And also, it may help sailors identify and avoid specific dangers in open waters. Right, so let's proceed to our next slides, which is isolated danger marks, or IDM. These marks are typically a buoy or beacon and are often black with one or more red horizontal bands and two black spears above each other to provide distinctive. So isolated danger marks are typically navigational aids such as buoys or beacons. And it also indicating a singular hazard in maritime environment.
Isolated danger marks. These marks are used to highlight isolated dangers, which are typically submerged or semi-submerged hazards like rocks, wrecks, or shoals. This characteristics appearance of IDM is generally distinctive and easily recognizable to ensure that the mariners do not confuse them with other types of marks. The typical appearance includes black with one or more red horizontal bands and two black spheres placed one above the other. So, example of this is if there's a submerged rock in a harbor entrance, an isolated danger mark will be placed near to it to alert ships to stay clear of the rock.
Safe water marks, also known as navigational aids, are markers used in marine navigation to ensure safe passage. They provide information about water depth, hazards, and navigable areas. They come in different shapes and colors, such as buoys, beacons, and day marks. Safe water marks help mariners avoid obstacles and navigate through unfamiliar or poorly charted waters. They are positioned strategically and follow standardized guidelines for symbology, color, and light characteristics. Understanding safe water marks is crucial for safe navigation and avoiding accidents or hazards.
Special marks. So what is special marks? So special marks are used to convey information about specific areas, regulations, or conditions that are not covered by the other type of marks. So their shapes, colors, and markings can vary widely depending on the purpose they serve. So example, a special mark may be used to indicate a non-anchoring zone in a harbor, helping ships avoid anchoring in areas with underwater cables or pipelines. That would be all. Thank you.